Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the BA section of the paper. So if we focus on this particular question itself, if we actually try and look at the BA section in general again, so we see that we haven't really seen any significant changes as far as the pattern of the examinations are concerned. Okay, the kind of question that are being asked and the kind of pattern of the examination of the section in general more or less remain the same as we have seen throughout the previous year's paper. But that all being said, this year one thing has to be noted that the questions were slightly on the more difficult level. That is, the kind of questions that will be asked that require an in-depth understanding of the subject matter to solve them. So with that all being said, we'll try and look at a particular kind of question in this particular video. So the question is basically of active, direct and indirect speech. We'll take a look at this particular kind and try and solve this question so that whenever we come across this kind of questions, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. So let's start off, go through the question. In the following question, a sequence has been given in direct to indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. So basically, if it's given in direct, we'll go with indirect, or if it's given in indirect, we'll go with direct. Okay. Do you, let's start 33. Do you want some more sweets? Ask my friend. So this is a direct kind of speech that is given. Okay. So now I'm looking to convert the same in indirect speech. So let's go with option one by one. So my friend asked me if I want some more sweets. Okay, this can be a good option because we have used if over here. So this can be a very good option for the same. Okay, so but one thing that since it's an indirect speech, so if I want that particular verb, it should have been used in a past tense for that matter. Okay, so in that case, if this particular sentence, since the use of the verb is in present tense, we cannot use this. Okay, let's move to number B. My friend said to me. Again, said to me is a very wrong word. Okay, said because your friend is basically asking, right? There's a question mark over here, so it cannot be a statement. Said is used with a statement of some sort. Okay, so that makes this one wrong. My friend asked me whether I wanted some more sweets. Now take a look at this. Either if could have been used or whether. They both are essentially the same meaning. Okay, in this context. And also the kind of verb that is used, that is also correct, is past tense. So yes, this is also used. Why we are concerned with past tense? Because of this. See, past, ed, past. Okay, that's why we are concerned with past tense. So again, option C will be our correct answer, but then again, let's continue in option D also. Let's try and understand why that is wrong. My friend asked me that. Again, we cannot use that in this case. So wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move to number 33 and try and solve the same as well. I've seen the film before. Sunita says. It's a direct speech. Now let's try and convert the same in the indirect speech. Okay. Just one thing. This is indirect speech. Okay. Sunita said that she had seen the film before. Okay, I have seen the film before. She had seen the film before. Okay, now notice one thing. I have seen. Okay, this is a present tense, right? So here we are using had. So while reporting something, we cannot necessarily change the tense of the verb. Okay. So this should stay in the present tense only. So this will be wrong. Sunita says that she has seen the film before. Yes, this could be another reason why it is wrong because said. We cannot actually use because Sunita is the one who says that, right? So let's go with option B now. Sunita says, yes, correct. She has seen. Verb is also correct. The scene before. So this should ideally be our right answer. But then again, let's go ahead. Sunita said that the film was seen by her before. It's a passive voice, so it's not an indirect speech. So this will be wrong. And subsequently, Sunita said that she saw the film earlier. Again, totally out of context, past tense, wrong. So option B will be the correct answer. So I hope these things are clear to you how we actually solve this both these questions. So and the explanation for our selection of the option and elimination of the options are also clear to you. So if you have any doubt, go through the video. I don't think there should be any kind of difficulty with respect to understanding the same. Okay, with all that said and done, in case you're looking to get yourself a completely detailed solution on the paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email address, and our numbers for call, text, or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us if you have any kind of doubt with respect to your exam preparation, or you have any kind of doubt with respect to any subject or topic for that matter. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So, if you like the video, make sure like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this. So, with all this said and done, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.